All right, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. I don't know if y'all can see me or not. Hey, today we are driving in Chicago's winter storm, the first winter storm of Chicago, in the Kia Stinger all-wheel drive GT2. Now this isn't my first time driving in snow with this car, but this is the worst it has snowed so far since I've owned this car. So I decided I was gonna take it out, see how I drive, record it, show you guys, and just have some fun. So right now I'm just letting it warm up, put my seatbelt on. The car is pretty much stock. It is stock. I have some Kumho all seasons on here, high chroma red, gorgeous car, I love it, all-wheel drive, 3.3 liter twin turbo V6, making about, I guess, like 360, somewhere around there. Now this car, like I said, has all-wheel drive, open diff in the front and rear. It's definitely noticeable that it's open because once the car kicks out, like if you try to force it to kick out, you could definitely feel like there's not much grip in the rear. It's really the front that's going keep it back. Well, it's gonna make it go back straight, basically, and that kind of takes away a little bit of the fun. But I've noticed you just gotta like use the weight of this car a lot and use the power a lot. Once you balance those two, you can, you know, have just a little bit of fun, and we gonna see today. So I'll go ahead and turn the light off and let's get out of my garage. So right off the rip, you could tell this car, like, it got a shit ton of grip. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, even on all seasons, I really don't feel like, I feel like this car, you wouldn't need winter tires. Just from the all-wheel drive system and the weight of this car, I mean, it has some pretty good grip. Only thing winter tires really would do would help you brake compared to all seasons, but it's really doable on all seasons. And these are brand new, by the way, the tires. So I was like a quarter of a throttle, all grip. The roads aren't too bad. Probably gonna get worse overnight, but I just wanted to go ahead and take it out right now before they come treat the roads with salt and plowing it. These are basically untouched roads right now. So I just accelerated, no problem, all grip. Now here's a little hill coming out of my subdivision. This will definitely show you the grip. Luckily there is no traffic. No problem whatsoever. Like maybe that's like 30% throttle, and it's going like no problem, literally no problem whatsoever. We got 20-mile-per-hour winds out here right now. This is like the peak right now, I guess, of the winter storm that we getting. And today is New Year's, so happy New Year's. I hope y'all enjoy this content. This is my first time using the head cam driving. I just basically been waiting for a snow day so I can do this video on these roads like they've been treated. Yeah, I've been waiting for a snow day to do this video, and I'm like, I'm just gonna do it today. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn traction and stability control off. We just gonna solely rely on the tires and the all-wheel drive. So I don't recommend this unless you know what you're doing. So yeah, we're basically doing the speed limit, no problem. Let's do a brake test. Actually, never mind. Somebody's behind us with one headlight. Yeah, we're just cruising at this point. Turn the air conditioner on. Let's turn the rear defroster on. Yeah, this thing handles like a dream. Again, this is not terrible. I mean, this is barely an inch on the road, but still, it don't even feel like anything's on the road. And I'm coming from a rear-wheel drive Genesis coupe, you know, so this is crazy. A little bit of a hill, no problem. Okay, it's like really slush. That's really what it is. Kind of slick, nothing terrible. Just need some good set of tires and you should be good on this, even in rear wheel drive. This is definitely enough to get sideways right here. Actually, we're gonna stop at the bank right here. This has not been plowed yet. No grip issues whatsoever. Floored. Woo! A little bit of slip as expected when you floor your damn car. While we cruising, let's look at the interior. GT2 fully loaded, the black interior. Wanted the red interior, but I got a great deal on this, so I can't even be mad. Got a huge truck out. What's funny is it snowed, I believe, like that was like actually like 3 or 4 days ago, and I was passing 4x4s in this car, no problem. Like straight line, no problem. This car will hook. Don't even be worried if you're looking into buying one of these or whatever. Now, don't quote me on this, but I believe the rear wheel drive Stinger comes with a LSD in the rear, so that would definitely help in the snow. I'm pretty sure a rear wheel drive Stinger would be okay with on some winter tires, but all wheel drive is optimal for these type of conditions. So if you live in this type of area where, you know, you get like heavy storms, winter storms, I would definitely just pay the little extra for the all-wheel drive. Just check out this parking lot real quick. Put in sport. We just gonna do something real quick and we're gonna leave. We're gonna get out of here. Windows getting fogged up. Zone the area real quick. Make sure we don't have nobody who don't need to be watching, if you get what I mean. And we're sliding already. Full, this is basically full lock. I'm just gonna I'm actually, what I've noticed, put it in second. Put it in second if you want to do donuts, and it's gonna do it. She's doing cyclones, baby. So yeah, you kind of have to just play with the throttle, because even with everything's traction and stability off, it still tends to cut power once it detects like a shit ton of slip. So you kind of just have to play with the throttle. That's why I say put it in second. It's giving you a longer gear to mess with. And ooh, that got the heart pumping a little bit. But she slide though. You just gotta figure her out. She slides. So fun. It's so fun with this much power and its grip. Like, you could get it to slide, and then as soon as you just floor it, it just hooks right up, and it just, oh, it's amazing. It's an amazing feeling. We're gonna wait for this car calm down a little bit. No problems whatsoever. And we're still in sport, so 80 going to the rear. I'll try to mind you a little bit. I ain't gonna go super crazy, but I will definitely mind you for you guys. Hopefully this car turns. Don't look like, yeah, they're turning. Good. Hope the camera angle's good. Let me know if y'all got any suggestions so I can improve on these car videos. I want to do a lot more. So you could definitely tell that it's sending auto power to the rear because that was all slip. We're actually gonna put it in comfort just to be safe. Okay, that's too much grip. Let's put it back in sport, drop it down a second. These roads are kind of cleared off a little bit, so this is a little sketchy because I don't want it to catch grip and send me to the goddamn guardrail. Yeah, we're gonna say no on that. See, that's the adult in me saying no. I don't know if y'all can tell, but the roads have been plowed. There's a little bit of snow, but they have been plowed, and I just don't want the car to catch a little bit too much grip and just send me forward into something I don't want to go into. So we're gonna chill out. Next time though, we're gonna say that for the next video. Leave a like, leave some comments, subscribe, all that if y'all want to see me really send the stinger. Leave in the comments, send the stinger, okay? And I will send it. If y'all, this is what y'all really want to see, I will send this motherfucker. So yeah, it's getting kind of worse out here now. Coming down pretty hard. Still windy. Roads aren't too bad yet. They said overnight is when it's really gonna get bad, but I feel like by the time I wake up, they're gonna have it all plowed and good. Actually, let's turn around. Woo! Come on, girl. There we go. And let's turn into this parking lot because this don't even look like it's been touched. Nobody even driven this. Drove. Yeah. That's all slip. Literally all slip. Brake test. All seasons. Not too bad. ABS is going crazy. You can feel it all in the brake pedal. Let's just see what we can do real quick, you know? Second. Just control the throttle, control the throttle, control the throttle. Hanging them wide. Let's see if we can do a figure 8. Ah! I almost lost the steering wheel. I'm a rookie. Don't talk about me. But we did it. Yeah, she's drifting real good. So that, I guess that's the trick. Just put it in second and just control the throttle. Don't bang it off rev limiter and you should be good. That's what I was doing. Like literally hitting it on the rev limiter and it just cuts power. And I was looking pretty dumb. Manji. Woo! Yes! That was awesome! Yo, we gotta go back for more. Let's say twice. You can't say one more. We finna go back for twice. I just wanna figure 8 and come back out. I wanna Monty all of this. See, something that's kind of sketch is you're in second. So you floor it too much, it's a lot of gear. And if it hook, it's gonna go where it's gonna go. So I'm definitely playing it safe. We're gonna just figure 8 this real quick. Oh my God, you could definitely feel the weight of the car. I'm working hard for this, okay? Yeah, she get down. She definitely gets down. I'm going lock to lock, literally. I'm trying to get as much angle as I can. back around. It's so hot. Turn the heat down mid drift. Sick. Let's go. Woo! Oh my fucking god! Holy shit! Whoa! Whoa! That was awesome! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo, she drifts. Okay, still in sport. If it's clear, I'm just gonna send it. I told y'all next video, but I'm having too much fun. Let's wait for this car. Okay, she just hooked up. She hooked up. No. Yo, that just goes to show. I'm gonna put it back in comfort. I think we're done. We're just gonna cruise. That just goes to show like the grip that this car has. And again, I'm on Kumho. I will put the exact tire in the description. I'm on Kumho all seasons with like probably like 700 miles on them. And I mean, these tires hook good and dry, wet, and snow. As y'all can see, I'm gonna take the car out when it's even worse, when we get that foot of snow. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get soon. I'm gonna take it back out and we're gonna really test these tires in this car, because so far, I mean, I'm super impressed. I was disappointed, and that quickly changed quickly. So we're pretty much almost home. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'm sorry, I don't want y'all to know where I live. That's a little strange. But again, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, do everything y'all need to do. Stay notified with my videos. We going crazy for 2022, and my goal is I just want to hit enough subscribers where I can start monetizing my videos. I mean, let's be real, everybody want to make a little something off what they enjoy, and I really want to do it just to put it back into the channel, put it back into the Prelude, put it into this car, put it into better camera gear. I'm not trying to get that money from YouTube just to go buy some shoes, go buy some clothes, jewelry, and all that stuff. I'm literally gonna turn it right back into the channel, and it's gonna provide all of us with some great content. So I need y'all, really need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Leave it in the comments if I can improve on anything, what y'all want to see. And peace out. Hope that the 2022 treats everybody well. God bless.